Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Lyft app and delete linked credit card step by step clearly. To uninstall the Lyft app from your device, begin by locating the app on your home screen or app drawer. If you are using an iPhone, press and hold the Lyft app icon until a menu appears. Select Remove App from the options provided. Then, tap Delete App to confirm the action. For Android users, press and hold the Lyft app icon as well. Drag the app to the Uninstall option that appears at the top of the screen. Release the app to complete the uninstallation. After uninstalling the app, you may want to delete your linked credit card for added security. Open the Lyft website on your computer or mobile browser. Sign in to your Lyft account using your email and password. Once logged in, navigate to the menu by clicking on your profile picture in the upper right corner. Select Payment from the drop-down menu. Locate the credit card you wish to remove. Click on the Remove button next to the card details. A confirmation prompt will appear. Confirm the removal by selecting Yes or Remove. Once you have removed the credit card, it will no longer be linked to your. Make sure to check for any remaining payment methods if needed. You have now successfully uninstalled the Lyft app and deleted your linked credit card. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.